Hello my friends, let's explore the process of planting and harvesting mangoes by farmers. We hope this video will help you understand more about mango production and the efforts of farmers in adopting new technologies. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below. Don't hesitate to share the video if you find it interesting. Now, let me tell you a bit about the initial stages of creating those perfectly ripe mangoes. It all starts with the farmer selecting the perfect mango variety and preparing the soil for planting. Mango seeds are hybridized and grafted at the seedling production factory, then transported to the farm for planting in the soil. From there, mango trees require plenty of tender loving care. They need watering and fertilizing to grow strong, as well as careful pruning to keep them clean and disease-free. Now, as those mango trees have flourished, they unfurl their blossoms and gradually yield their precious fruit. The duration of this journey varies, spanning from a few months to several years, contingent upon the mango variety. Yet, rest assured, the moment those mangoes grace us with their presence, the anticipation is met with sheer delight. Harvesting mangoes is a critical process that demands meticulous attention. Prior to the deadline, we meticulously inspect the mangoes to ensure optimal conditions for harvesting. With utmost care, we handpick the ripest mangoes using a variety of tools, including knives, shears, and ladders to ensure precision. By employing the right tools and handling techniques, we guarantee top-notch quality and productivity from our mangoes. Once the mangoes reach their peak ripeness, we delicately remove them from the branches and carefully arrange them in trays or baskets for transportation to marketplaces or processing facilities. It's imperative to work swiftly to maintain the integrity of the produce. If you're a fan of this delectable fruit, drop a 1 in the comments below. After the harvest, it's imperative to provide proper care for the mango trees, ensuring their protection and maintenance to sustain productivity for the next season. This ensures a continuous supply of those delightful mangoes for years to come. In 2022, the leading mango exporting nations globally include Thailand, Mexico, India, Vietnam, and Indonesia. According to data from the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, these countries collectively exported over 2.8 million tons of mangoes, representing 74% of the world's total mango export volume. Thailand takes the lead as the top mango exporter, shipping out more than 1.2 million tons of mangoes. Close behind are Mexico with over 510,000 tons and India with over 460,000 tons. Vietnam, Indonesia follow suit, ranking 4th and 5th respectively, with exports totaling 182,000 tons and 147,000 tons of mangoes each. That's an impressive abundance of mangoes indeed. Now, let me share with you the fascinating developments in the realm of mango harvesting, where engineers are integrating cutting-edge technology. They're crafting robots equipped with AI programming and laser systems to accurately detect ripe mangoes. Witnessing these machines in operation is truly remarkable. Mango stands out as one of the most nutrient-rich and globally loved fruits. Packed with essential vitamins such as A and C, along with potassium, iron, and dietary fiber. Mangoes offer a powerhouse of nutrients that fuel the body and support overall well-being. Furthermore, mangoes boast stress-relieving properties, promoting mental calmness and relaxation. Their soothing qualities extend to the stomach, easing gastric issues and aiding digestion. Thanks to their antioxidant content, mangoes play a vital role in preventing age-related ailments, safeguarding cells, and bolstering the immune system. Furthermore, mangoes find their way into an array of culinary creations, including juices, smoothies, salads, desserts, and a myriad of cakes, enriching both flavor profiles and nutritional content. The versatility of mangoes underscores their significance in the human diet and underscores their substantial economic importance in agricultural production and commerce. Mangoes are not only utilized in culinary applications, but also boast numerous medicinal properties. According to traditional medicine, mangoes are characterized by their sweet taste, cooling nature, and are believed to possess detoxifying and heat-relieving properties. They are also reputed to alleviate headaches, suppress coughs, ease flu symptoms, cool the liver, exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, and offer various other benefits. let's delve deeper into the inspiring narrative of a strawberry production venture in the Netherlands. This enterprise has transcended mere passion and dedication to carve out a successful business model centered around cultivating and delivering top-tier strawberries. Thwan van Gennep epitomizes unwavering dedication and passion in providing consumers with exceptional strawberries. With a commitment not only to meeting rigorous quality standards, but also to delivering unparalleled flavor and freshness, this enterprise has consistently pursued the integration of cutting-edge farming technologies and methodologies. If you love these juicy fruits, please comment number 1. Have you ever witnessed such a modern hydroponic strawberry cultivation system just like this? One of these systems is the NGS rotating gutters, which effectively balance production on a hectare scale with efficient spraying and harvesting. The retractable roof of the greenhouse provides optimal control over light, temperature, and humidity, creating an ideal environment for strawberry plant growth. Thanks to these advanced production systems and the controlled environment provided by the retractable roof, growers can achieve high yield of high-quality strawberries. When I visited Mr. Smith's farm, I couldn't help but be amazed by the ingenuity and efficiency of this plastic mulch laying machine. It not only helps protect the crops, but also reduces labor and time for farmers. Instead of manually laying the plastic film, the machine does it automatically, reducing manual labor and increasing productivity. I couldn't help but admire the creativity and vision of the farmers in using this plastic mulch laying machine. It's truly a significant step forward in improving the efficiency and quality of strawberry cultivation. In just 5 working days, a farmer can effortlessly plant up to 33,000 strawberry plants with the help of this water wheel planting machine. The water wheel planting machine is specifically designed to enhance productivity and ensure uniformity in strawberry planting. While there are various methods available for growing strawberries, the water wheel planting machine emerges as one of the most efficient ways to increase productivity and save time. Have you ever cultivated strawberries? Share your experiences in the comments below for everyone to learn.